Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026 at 10:20, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So in today's Day 1 Outlook, we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, northwestern South Dakota, and across North Dakota. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of western to central North Dakota, central South Dakota, central and southern South Dakota, parts of northeastern Wyoming and southeastern Montana, and we have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of central Montana going into northeastern Wyoming, parts of northwestern Nebraska, central South Dakota, and going into western and eastern North Dakota. We also have a marginal that encompasses parts of eastern Oklahoma, central to northern Arkansas, parts of southern to central Missouri, and southeastern Kansas. And we have another marginal over here that encompasses parts of extreme northeastern North Carolina and southern to central Virginia. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. And, never mind. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, northwestern South Dakota, and southern to central to northern North Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 2%. We also have southeastern Kansas, parts of eastern and northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri under the 2%. So let's go ahead and see who we have here. We have Tulsa, Springfield, Broken Arrow, Fort Smith, and Fayetteville under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% areas today. Going into the wind risk for today, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, northwestern South Dakota, and southern, central to northern North Dakota. We have a 15% that encompasses parts of western and central North Dakota, central and southern South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, and southeastern Montana. We have a 5% that encompasses southeastern to central Montana, northeastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, central South Dakota, and eastern and western North Dakota. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses parts of eastern Oklahoma, northern to central Arkansas, southern to central Missouri, southeastern Kansas, and we do have another 5% that encompasses parts of extreme northeastern North Carolina and central to southeastern Virginia. So we do have those areas under a 5%. We have Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, Dickinson, and Spearfish under the significant severe, as well as the 30%. Rapid City, Gillette, Sheridan, and Rapid Valley under the 15%. And Virginia Beach, Tulsa, Norfolk, Chesapeake, and Richmond under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible today. 15% we could see 15% we could see 60 to 75 miles per hour gusts possible, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, northwestern South Dakota, and southwestern central to northern North Dakota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of western and central North Dakota, central to southern South Dakota, southeastern Montana, and northeastern Wyoming. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern central Montana, central to northeastern Wyoming, parts of northwestern Nebraska, southwestern to central South Dakota, and western and central North Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. We have Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, Dickinson, and Spearfish under the significant severe. Rapid City, Bismarck, Minot, Gillette, and Mandan under the 15%. And Billings, Williston, Worland, Glendive, and Sydney under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see up to 3.5-inch downward hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3-inch downward hail possible today. And 5% we could see 1 to 2-inch downward hail possible today. So please be mindful of that this afternoon. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts, large hail, and an isolated tornado threat are expected this afternoon and evening across parts of the northern plains. An isolated threat for tornadoes and severe wind gusts will also be possible across the Ozarks region. Strong wind gusts will also be possible in the mid-Mississippi Valley and in the mid-Atlantic. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you are in a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.